Home renovation has never been easier. Now, you can completely transform the look of your home by adding the charm and sophistication of stone without any of the hassle. No masonry, no mess, and no expensive install. URESTONE panels have been used commercially by restaurants, broadcast studios, hotels, and retailers. Our panels are durable, energy-saving, and extremely realistic. The best part is you can install them yourself. Use it to spruce up your garage, bathrooms, the basement, or even the grill. We have a huge variety of textures and colors. All of our panels are molded from real stone or brick and colored using a multi-step process that leaves you with the most realistic product on the market. URESTONE panels are made from a high-density polyurethane foam. They are extremely durable and can withstand strong impact and all the elements. Despite their strengths, the 2x4 panels only weigh a couple of pounds and are very easy to install. Our panels are made with tongue and groove keys that slide together perfectly, leaving almost no trace of the seam. Watch how we transformed the exterior of this home in only a couple of hours. First, we measure the windows and doors to install our metal trim pieces. This trim cuts easily and screws can drill right through it. Once the trim is installed, it's time to get to the fun stuff. Using a jigsaw, we can easily cut the keys off one side of the panel to line up with the straight edges for walls, windows, or door frames. You can use almost any wood cutting tool to cut these panels with no mess. This particular project had a lot of windows and lights, but that is no problem with our versatile panels. We measure where the window is going to be and cut out an L shape, simply fitting around the window. Once your piece fits where it needs to go, add our strong adhesive, which we advise for exterior projects. Then, you can place the screws anywhere. Our panels can be screwed into metal, concrete, drywall, and most other surfaces. Then, we just start placing our panels, making sure the tongue keys lock with the groove keys. When you start your second row, make sure to stagger the seams. Once your panels are in place, you might notice small seams between the panels. Not a problem. We use our caulk to fill the seams, wipe clean to smooth the edge, and wait for it to dry. Once dry, use our touch-up paint kit to make your seams completely disappear. And there you have it. An easy to do-it-yourself install completely transformed the look of this home. For more detailed installation instructions, visit URESTONEPanels.com.